Hey, it's me.
Hey, what are you doing?
Nothing, I'm at work. I was wondering, do you remember your friend Lena?
Yeah, what about her?
Well, I was wondering if you know where she's staying in Hawaii. Because she forgot her pocketbook at my work. I wanted to get it back to her, make sure she wasn't nervous.
Oh my god, I know exactly where she's staying, and you're fucking lying. She didn't forget her purse or pocketbook. What do you want her number for?
Don't do this to me.
What do you want her number for?
All I want is her number. Can you help me out?
Tell me why. Do you like
There's
her?
no reason for you to treat me this
Do you
way.
like her?
You're killing me. You're killing me with the way you are
God.
towards me.
Oh,
All I
God.
want is the fucking number. That should be goddamn good enough for you. Now give me the fucking number.
Okay.
You fucking hear me?
Yes.
I'm sick of this fucking shit.
Barry.
Stop fucking treating me this way. Give me your fucking number. I'll fucking kill you. You want that?
Hey God, it's me. We haven't talked in a while.